Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is January 30th. We're looking at the USD Swiss here guys as the chart of the day. 60 minutes time frame. We can see we have a bearish sequence. The right side is down and now we are going down in an impulsive structure. We finished with 2 here. This is a minute degree, and then now we are in the wave 3 in the black color here, which subdivides into this blue 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we got this 1 2, we got 3 right here, and what it looks like is that we might be potentially doing a double, right? Double correction. And if we assume we can continue to go higher here, then this area next is the one that we think should provide resistance, and sellers, right, should appear from 0.776 to 0.783. From here we can continue to go down again, or at the least pulling back in 3 ways at the least. If I zoom out into the daily time frame, copying this wave 2 here in the black right here, this is where we are. This is 2, this is 1. So we are simply now, without looking at the entire labeling, right? I mean, if you want to know the entire labeling is available inside the member area. You can check our service if you like. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. But now we're just going to be focusing on the shorter cycle. So we're looking a cycle that started from this peak. So we got a 1 2, and now doing a wave 3 to the downside, right? Doing a wave 3 to the downside. Now if you want to know where it can potentially go, we can just, as always, do the projection. Now you can see we hit the 1.618, right? So what that means is that we are actually quite mature. The cycle is quite mature. Potentially wave 3 could even finish here in black, but it doesn't matter, right? I mean, even if I do it as a wave 3 here, it's still bearish. It doesn't really change the fact it is still bearish. And even this rally, it can qualify as a wave 4. Whether it's 4 in blue or 4 in black, it really doesn't matter, because it's still most likely gonna fail from this area and then continues to go down, right? So let's say if I want to change it to wave 3, I can do it, I can do it in a couple of different ways. I can try to do something like this, right? And then call 4 here, 5 here, and then now it's doing wave 4 in black already. And again, it doesn't change the overall idea that we still continue to like the downside, and the rally still likely is gonna fail anyway in 3 swing or in 7 swing. Okay, so that's the update for today guys, and I'll see you guys again next time, and have a nice day to you all.